New Zealand currently has a population of 4.5 million people. Of this population, roughly 1 in 3 adults and 1 in 9 children are considered to be obese. This number has in fact been increasing over the last few years. Obesity leads to life-threatening health risks such as heart disease, diabetes, and various types of cancer. Due to rising numbers of children suffering from obesity, we will see increased numbers of patients in hospitals suffering from the consequential health risks. We have come up with a not-for-profit organization called KidFit, which aims to help kids to get active and educate them in nutrition. Our passionate and fun-loving volunteers will dedicate an hour and a half to groups of students in schools. Half of their time will be spent playing games and getting the kids active in a fun way, which motivates them to keep moving and be active. The other half of our time spent with them will be educating them on healthy eating. Monthly, we will return to the schools to assess their progress and encourage further motivation and results.
We are going to address the issue of obesity where it begins and where we can make the biggest difference, through the children. Coming into schools will increase the children's interest in sports and encourage them to then take it up as an extracurricular activity. This, alongside more nutrition-based education, establishes a healthy lifestyle from a young age. Our business will have a positive effect on the children, their parents and schools. The children will be fitter, healthier and happier. Homework will provide the opportunity for the kids to bond with their parents and also educate them. Incorporating physical activity into the school day will be an effective way of reducing elevated energy levels. Based on a study done by Karen Postal, children prone to being hyperactive at school will have improved focus in class and achieve better results when they have higher levels of physical activity.
Healthy food choices and increased levels of exercise are going to benefit society overall. General health and fitness creates happiness. This is going to affect the children directly, which will then influence relationships at home and the teaching environment at school. Regardless of all other factors, the right thing to do is educate and promote a healthy lifestyle. We have a moral obligation to better society through KidFit.
Costs on healthcare will be reduced as we increase the healthiness of the population overall in time. We will see less people in hospitals suffering from heart disease and reduced numbers of diabetics. As we encourage children to eat more healthy and sustaining food, such as fruit and vegetables, they will be less prone to buying unhealthy snack foods such as chips and other processed foods producing waste which ends up in landfills. By reducing obesity, we are also reducing factors for discrimination and bullying in schools.